Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email World Trade Organization WTO. WTO is a permanent organization set up through international treaty approved by participating countries. It has an international status like IMF and IBRD, but it is not an agency of UNO. WTO officially commenced on 1st January 1995 under the Marrakech Agreement signed by 123 nations on April 94, replacing the General Agreement and Tariffs and Trade GATT. Objective of WTO is to regulate international trade. WTO deals with regulation of trade between participating countries by providing a framework for negotiating trade agreements and a dispute resolution process aimed at enforcing participants' adherence to WTO agreements, which are signed by representatives of member governments and ratified by their parliament. WTO is a full-fledged international organization. The representatives of the members of all officials of the WTO enjoy international privileges and immunities. Functions of WTO. WTO facilitates the implementation, administration and operations of the multilateral trade agreements as well as plurilateral trade agreements. WTO provides forum for negotiations among the members concerning their multilateral trade relations. WTO frames and administers rules and procedures of settlement of international trade disputes. WTO administers the trade review mechanism. WTO helps to make optimum use of world resources. WTO assists IMF and IBRO in setting up universal economic policy determination. WTO helps dispute settlement between countries. WTO provides platform for member countries to decide future strategies related to trade and tariff. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.